Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Guys, I can see lots of you watch this video and you guys have not yet subscribed. If you're already here, thank you so much for your support. Today, I'll be teaching you how to make the most delicious, quick and easy better than cake. Yep, the cake is called better than anything. Alright, so you must give this recipe a try. So these are the ingredients and they will be listed in the description box below. Now to my bowl, I'll be adding 3 eggs and I'll whisk that together. Then I'll be adding my oil. So guys, the ingredients for this cake and the instructions is listed on the box of the cake. Remember, we're not making this from scratch today. This is a quick and easy cake. So I'm using the chocolate flavor. You can choose whatever flavor cake you want to use, guys. That is just my preference for this cake. Mix the batter until it is nice and smooth. And for this cake, I'll be using the Joy of Baking spray. And the reason I'm using a foil pan is because it's easy to move around with the cover on top. If I'm taking it to a function, a party, a Christmas party, birthday, whatever. So to give this cake some texture, I did add some chocolate chip right over the top. And then I bake in the oven for 25 minutes. So our cake is done. And now what we will do is poke some holes all over the top of this cake. So for our next stage, what we will do is add our caramel. So I'm using 2 different caramel here. I'm using the Hershey caramel and I'm also using the Nestle. The Nestle is really thick, but it has an absolute great flavor. So I'm mixing both together. So while the cake is nice and warm, we will take half of this caramel mixture and pour it right over the top of the cake. All the caramel will seep in the hole of the cake. While the cake is nice and warm, we can place it in a refrigerator to cool. Because our next stage for this cake, we do not need a warm cake. So we'll be adding 1 tin of condensed milk and 1 cup of caramel mixture. We will whisk this together until everything is nice and combined, both the caramel and the condensed milk. So now we will take our whipped cream and we will fold that in. We do not want to mix this, guys. Do not mix, do not whisk, just fold. So now we would apply this mixture right over the top of our whole cake. Look at that, guys. It is so delicious. Trust me. This is definitely a crowd pleaser. So to top this off, I'll be adding some English toffee. So you can choose whatever topping you like. I am using the English toffee. You can use toasted coconut, which goes pretty well also. And we will set this back in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. And there it is. And now it's time for me to dig in. Guys, I'm telling you, you guys must give this recipe a try. Again, guys, if you're here and you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You do not want to miss all these amazing recipes. And there it is. Guys, I must tell you, this cake is amazing. You wouldn't believe it's a quick and easy cake. You can see all the caramel within that cake. And it pairs well with fresh fruit as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. You guys do have a wonderful holiday. Bye-bye.